how to fix ChatGPT projects not showing on your device or on your browser. So sometimes project folders are temporarily cached or fail to load on the initial page view. So what you can simply do is force a sidebar refresh. Now to do that, simply scroll down and you'll see this circular anti-clockwise moving arrow. Now move it till the end and just leave it. And it will force refresh. Now do this a couple of times until you see your projects on your dashboard. Now the next step that you can try is clear browser cache and cookies. Long press on the application or browser that you're using. Now tap on the app info icon. Then simply go to the storage section and simply tap on clear cache. Now head back and just below you'll find force stop at the very end. Tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now simply close all the application. From your recent you can just swipe up individually or tap on close all. If you still cannot view it, simply tap on Chrome and try using a desktop site. So scroll down and you'll find desktop site and try using this way. And if it still doesn't show on your projects, what you can do is try using the incognito mode. So tap on new incognito mode and type in ChatGPT. Now simply log in, tap on login and log in your account. And after you log in, you'll be able to see your projects. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope your problem is fixed. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.